The manufacturing industry is undergoing a powerful transformation driven by artificial intelligence. AI is no longer a futuristic concept. It is now at the core of smarter factories, efficient operations, and quality driven production lines. From predictive maintenance to defect detection, AI is helping manufacturers reduce downtime, optimize resources, and improve product quality. One of the most impactful applications of AI in manufacturing is predictive maintenance. By analyzing data from sensors and machines in real time, AI can predict when a machine is likely to fail and schedule maintenance before it disrupts operations. This minimizes unexpected breakdowns, reduces costs, and extends the life of equipment. AI powered computer vision systems are being used to identify product defects during manufacturing with incredible precision. Unlike manual inspections, these systems work continuously, detect even microscopic flaws, and help maintain consistent quality. This ensures that defective products don't make it to the market, protecting brand reputation and customer satisfaction. In smart factories, AI is enabling real-time monitoring of production lines, energy consumption, and supply chain efficiency. AI-driven analytics platforms offer insights that help managers make faster, data-backed decisions to optimize output and reduce waste. At RLAI Consultancy, we help manufacturing companies embrace the power of AI with tailor-made solutions designed for industrial environments. Our services include implementing AI for visual quality inspection, setting up predictive maintenance frameworks, deploying AI-powered supply chain optimization tools, and creating digital twins for real-time production monitoring. We work closely with manufacturing leaders to integrate AI into their existing systems, ensuring minimal disruption and maximum return on investment. Whether it's an automotive assembly line, an electronics plant, or a wood-based panel manufacturer, our solutions are adaptable, scalable, and aligned with industry-specific goals. With the right AI strategy, manufacturers can achieve higher operational efficiency, reduce waste, and move toward Industry 4.0 standards. RLAI Consultancy stands as a trusted partner in this journey, bridging the gap between traditional manufacturing and the intelligent factory of the future.